Yay! And we're 10 minutes of wolves right now in his secret lair that I almost died in from fall damage. Look at that. Look at that. Oh. Covered up. Dude, you just... What's wrong with you? What is wrong with you? Anyway, give me all the wolf spawn eggs and give me all the wolf bones. I need them all. Well, I'm drinking Sun-Kissed soda right now.
Yeah, so now I got me a fruit punch. You going on the trip?
Well, I got 62 wolf spawn eggs. Everybody sees that. Now give me the bones, man.
Give me the bones. That soda came out.
That's why I only spawn one wolf at a time. We gotta get back up on the surface. We're not gonna.
Yeah, because you're gonna die now. See ya.
I tamed one wolf already.
Alright, see ya. Bruh. Here, take my steps.
You right now.
Mr. Charles, please come to my office, please. Charles, to my office.
I'm making crafting. It's raining. I'm making a crafting table.
It's not raining.
Yes, it is. On my screen.
Look, on my snap.
It's about to start. Just like how on your screen last time it was raining. I mean, remember on your screen it was nighttime and on my screen it was daytime. So yeah, it glitches. It just glitches.
Can I have Malik and Shamar to my office, please? Malik and Shamar.
Your world is so laggy that the wolves, I got 2 wolves now.
Mr. Bench took my pop toy.
Hold on, this is so laggy.